Hi guys, welcome back. So just like to start this video by saying a massive thank you to each and every one of you. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers last week, so thank you very much for doing that, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything and really helps out the channel. So thought I'd start off today by having potato harvest. And this bucket has been left outside. As you can see, it's got tons of weeds starting to grow on top of it. Pulled all the foliage back and just left them outside. It's quite wet. We've had a lot of rain here recently. These are Sarpo Miras. Let's have a look what we've got. Haven't really had much luck with potatoes this year, but one variety that has done really well were these Sarpo Miras, and I'll definitely be saving a few of these for seed for next year. They're all quite decent sized potatoes, and quite a few of them. All this old compost will just go straight in the compost bin. Which is getting full now, and that also needs emptying. But my main priority this week is to get everything ready for planting garlic. I have been through and selected all of my biggest clover bulbs from this year, and they're the ones that I'll be planting out probably in about a week's time. I think that's it from this one. So that's from one 30-litre container, and they are the Sarpo Unas or Miras. Sarpo Mira, they are, sorry. Right, well, I'll get rid of this compost and go and get another bucket. Right then guys, so bucket number 2. Move that out of the way. Bucket number 2, and this is actually one of the single seed potato challenge buckets. Now, I had filmed revealing all the others, but managed to lose some of the footage, and I wasn't happy with the other bits, and I'd forgotten to weigh the potatoes, so I won't be submitting a weight this year, but hopefully there's a few in here. Straight away there's one. But like I said, all the other buckets of these hadn't done very well. Most of them had rotted off, like that one. But that's due to too much moisture whilst they've been left out in the rain, and I didn't really look after them very well. As you can see, it's starting to regrow. decent potatoes in there. Another rotten one. That's it for that bucket. So not many there at all. Just a couple there. But with both tubs, that's not too bad of a harvest. Quite happy with that. I'll do this for a good week or so. Right then guys, so that's going to be it for this one today. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know how your potato harvest has gone this year, and hopefully we get a harvest out of our Christmas potatoes. I do still have a full bed of Sarpo Miras outside, which we'll probably harvest that this week as well, and just get them stored ready for overwinter. Right then guys, bye for now.